How to open US LLC bank account for non-residents. The first step is to form your US LLC. So before you can open a bank account, you need to register your US LLC. Once your LLC is approved by the state, you will then receive your formulation documents, which are required by the bank. And then the next step from here would just be to simply apply for an EIN. So apply for the employer identification number from the IRS. Think of it as your business tax ID. The EIN is required by most US banks when opening a bank account. You will need LLC formation documents, a responsibility party info, and also the option to apply for the EIN. And then once you're done, just gather your required documents. So before applying, make sure you have all the required documents, such as a passport, LLC formation documents, EIN confirmation letter, proof of business address, proof of residential address, and a phone number and email address. And then proceed to choose a bank that accepts non-residents. So not every US bank allows non-residents to open accounts remotely. So it's important to choose one that supports international business owners, such as Mercury, Relay, Wise, Air Wallex. Certain traditional US banks may require an in-person visit. Each provider has its own eligibility requirements, supported countries, and verification process. Now, once that's done, go ahead and complete the online application, fill out your application, and then verify your identity, as most banks will ask for your identity info before approving your account. Just upload your passport, take a selfie, and complete the live identity check. Now, once you're done, here is a little tip you could keep in mind. Before choosing a bank, compare the features that matter most to your business, such as monthly fees, international transfer fees, supported countries, free banking, account app integration, customer support. So check out for these before you pick a bank. All right, guys.